Episode 4. Today we build a real AI agent. Not just talk about it, you already know what agents are. Now you see exactly how they work under the hood. Hey, welcome to episode 4. By the end of this episode, you will have working AI agent, not a demo, not a toy, a real one. The ReAct loop is how every agent thinks. ReAct stands for reason and act. Every single agent, whether it's built with LangChain or AutoGPT or your own code, follows this same loop. First, the agent reasons, or it looks at the goal and asks, what do I need to do next? What information am I missing? Then it acts, it calls a tool. Maybe it searches the web. Maybe it runs some Python code. Maybe it queries your database. Then it observes. It looks at the result and asks, is this what I needed? Do I have enough to answer? Then it reasons again. If it has enough, it writes the final answer. If not, it goes back around the loop. That is the ReAct loop. And here is the thing. This is exactly how you solve problems as a human. You gather information, take action, check the result, adjust. Agents just do it automatically. Now, an agent without tools is just a chatbot. Tools are what make agents powerful. The 3 tools every agent should start with: web search. Connect to Tavily or Serpa, and your agent can now Google anything in real time. No training cutoff, live data, current events, competitor research. All of it, a calculator. Never let a language model do math with tokens. LLMs are bad at arithmetic. Give the agent a tool that runs actual Python math. Reliable, always correct, and before we go further, quick checkpoint. ReAct loop, 3 essential tools. That is the foundation. Every real agent in production uses exactly this. Now let's talk about memory. Code runner. This is the most powerful tool. Your agent writes Python, runs it, sees the output, fixes errors, and tries again. Give an agent a code runner and it can build almost anything. Short-term memory versus long-term memory. Short-term memory is the context window. Everything in the current conversation. The agent remembers it perfectly, nothing gets garbled. But the moment the session ends, it is gone. Long-term memory is a real database, Redis, Postgres, whatever you want. At the start of each new session, you retrieve the relevant memories and inject them into the system prompt. The agent picks up where it left off. Right now, focus on short-term. We go deep on memory architecture in episode 6. Now let's look at the actual code. Here is a minimal agent in LangChain. 3 imports, 5 lines of setup, and you have a working research agent. You create the LLM, you give it tools, you pull a ReAct prompt from the LangChain hub, you create the agent, and you run it. The verbose equals true line is important when you are learning. It prints the agent's reasoning out loud. You can watch it reason, act, observe, and loop in real time. Leave that on while you are building. Run this and give it a research question. You will see exactly what a real agent does. Your challenge for this episode: build a research agent with web search using Tavily. Give it any topic you care about. Make it return a structured JSON with a title, a summary, and key takeaways. That is a real research assistant. You can use it today, right now, for that is episode 4. You now know how to build a real agent. In episode 5, we build an MCP server from scratch. That is where it gets really interesting. See you there.